8:25 p.m. Are we seeing this? Here. And then this real slow flyer here. Okay. Then back over here. Um, okay, as far as I'm concerned, they're still spraying. Even though there's no trails, okay? We're still seeing, well, I think that one is behind the trees now. And of course this one here is just going to blend in with all the background glare. And I came out here 5 minutes ago, and I should have been recording then, as we had 4 swans that flew by. Would have been a really nice capture, but you know, this is well, one of those aircraft days, I guess. And if you have been following along, especially in chronological order today, you might have taken notice that my guides, those vultures, did indeed point out locations to which I ended up recording in those same locations. Alright? And that is what I wanted to mention at 8:20 when those swans were flying by. At least I think they were. I don't know. It was really cool. There was 4 of them. And okay, Happy Joy Joy made a comment or posted a comment in which it was pertaining to animals, and I just want to kind of expand on the thought. You know, I have my interactions with these animals out here, but there has been some strange happenings with animals of late, especially in the state of Wyoming. And yeah, right around the well, Yellowstone Park, around the super volcano, and how the animals have been leaving in hordes. And we are talking animals, buffalo, mountain lions, elks, bears, by the masses. And which apparently there had been an earthquake that had taken place, and so there's speculations that, you know, the animals had felt that coming on, or something to that degree. But because of that earthquake, it apparently has sparked off that much more underground activity. There's videos out there speaking on this. Ironically, though, mainstream media has not mentioned it at all. And so I am going to use a screenshot as a thumbnail that came from a video that was pertaining to this occurrence out there in Wyoming. And yeah, it's something to think about, okay? And by now you've already seen the thumbnail, but anyways, I think I will leave it at that. And well, maybe I'll step back out here before it gets dark. and possibly capture something else. But on that note, thank you for watching. And yeah, if you so desired, check into what I've just discussed. Have a great one. And yeah, maybe we'll bump into each other again right soon. Back here on this flip side of reality.